What are you guys doing? Where are we going, Jakey?
What's this thing called?
Oh, what's in there? That's the boiler room?
Yeah.
What's in there, Jake, that you know about? What's in there?
Is the little one or the big one?
What are those things?
With those turn things. With water fountain, and people can got a water fountain. Goes up there, goes in there, goes over there.
Yep. And what happens when you turn on those valves? What's happened when you turn the valves on?
You turn them on, after you turn those on, and it's water. You got a water fountain.
Yeah, and people can use the toilets, huh?
Where's the toilet?
In the school, by the water fountains. Let's tell Mama what else is in over here. Can you tell Mama what else is in there?
There's gases and chemicals.
Oh.
Yep. What do the chemicals do? I know, he gets excited about it. He loves looking in there.
He's obsessed with this stuff.
He likes pipes for some reason.
Who was it?
That's the guy that takes care of the boiler room.
That's pretty cool.
He's the man that takes care of the boiler room.
I had to get him on tape. Did you see that?
Yeah. Anything else you know about the boiler room?
What else is in there, Jake? Anything?
Oh, no, you know what? It's actually locked.
closed.
It's only
Just workers, honey.
people who work in there can go in there.
Let's see. What's in the peek in it?
You gonna peek in there? We're just taking a peek.
Yeah, just a peek.
I think we take a little peek. Sure, I'll hold you. What do you think? What's in there? Do you know what that place is? It's a school where kids come and play and learn. Cool, huh? Yeah, I think so too. What do those things do? Those big black things? What do you think they do? The little one's on. Which one's on?
Yeah, big one's on.
Big or little?
Big. Little.
The little one's on. You're right.
How do you know?
Because we watch this every single night. This is a daily routine that we've done. How many times have we done this, Jakey? I would bet 35 times.
I have never seen this before.
Yes, 35 times.
Down now?
No, I think it's the little one.
Down now?
Turned off again. All right, let's go to the playground before we run out of time. Hop up on Daddy's shoulders.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.